BMW. Nice. This is Lumi. Yung itsura niya.
Hello, good morning. This is another episode of our upgrade journey for the Flavor Red build. Magpapakabit tayo ng gulong. This is the Swallow SB-151 soft compound tires. So siguro let's talk about Swallow first. Swallow as a brand. I've never heard of this brand, pero I don't know if you guys are familiar with yung mga classic motorcycle builds. Typically sa Indonesia or Southeast Asian countries, ang ginagamit nila dun na gulong is Swallow classic tires yun. And I think Swallow is based in Indonesia. Yes, Swallow is based in Indonesia. So this one, the Swallow Slash, this is soft compound, sabi nila. Ito yung tread pattern niya. Ito yung pangharap ko. So ito naman yung panglikod. Nga pala, before I say the size that I chose for my PCX for Lumi, I want to share some knowledge lang on how to read tire sizes. So normally kasi kapag bumibili ng gulong, meron siyang 3 numbers. So in this case, ito yung pang front tire ko. This is 110, 80, 14, 59S reinforced. Tapos meron pa ditong tubeless yan. On reading tire sizes, the first number is the tire width or yung kapal ng gulong. In this case, 110. So 110 millimeters daw tong kapal niya. From this end to this end, this is 110 millimeters. So for the second number, 80, this is the aspect ratio. Pag sinabi mong aspect ratio, this is just a percentage of the first number. So 80% of 110 is 88 millimeters. Yung 88 millimeters na yun is yung height ng tire. So from this point to this point, this is 88 millimeters. Then the third number is 14. The third number is the rim diameter or yung diameter ng mugs natin. Then may nakasulat pa dito MC for motorcycles siya. Then the next number, 59. This is the load capacity or the load rating. Ibig sabihin, ito yung load na kayang bitbitin ng gulong na to with respect to the weight of the motorcycle and the rider, and if kung may OBR man. So 59, kapag tinignan natin to sa table ng load rating for motorcycle tires, papatak to sa 243 kilograms. So matching naman siya dito, may nakalagay din dito eh. Yan. Maximum load 243 kilograms. And then the last one is, this letter is the speed rating. For the speed rating naman, meron din tayong table dyan. The speed rating is the speed in which this tire is designed for. So hanggang ganitong speed lang daw siya. So in our case, a speed rating of S is 180 kilometers per hour. Pwede ko daw siyang gamitin hanggang 180 kilometers per hour, pero I highly doubt na kaya yun ni PCX since hindi naman big bike yung gamit ko. At yun, it's nice to know this information para marunong din tayong bumasa ng tire sizes. For the next one, ito naman yung rear tire ko. Swallow Slash din siya. SB-151. The first number is 140. So ibig sabihin, ang kapal daw niya is 140 millimeters. Second number, the aspect ratio, 70. So 70% ni 140 is 98 millimeters. So 98 millimeters na yun, ito yun, yung height niya from this point to this point. Third number is the rim diameter. So this one is 13 inches. 13 inches yung diameter ng rear mugs ni PCX. And then 61. The load rating or the load capacity, this tire can manage up to 257 kilograms, which is matching din naman dito. Yan, 257 kg din yung nakalagay dito. Now for the last element, P, the speed rating. Ang speed rating ng gulong na to is 150 kilometers per hour. So designed daw siya for a speed of 150 kph, which I also doubt na kayang gawin ng PCX given na pinalaki natin yung sizes ng gulong natin. For your information, ang stock tire size ni PCX for the front is 110/70 by 14 inches yung rim diameter. For the rear naman is ang stock na size is 130/70 and then 13 inches yung rim diameter. So for the front, hindi naman ako nagpakapal masyado ng width ng gulong. Tumaas lang ng konti yung height sa harap, pero yung likod ko yung kumapal. Kumapal siya by 10 mm. So ang ganda kasi ng tread pattern nito. This tread pattern reminds me of Pirelli Super Corsa. Yung very makinis yung finish niya, tapos may slashes. Supposedly kasi ang kukunin ko sana ng gulong is Pirelli Diablo Scooter, pero ayoko nung sobrang madami siyang utong madami siyang nipples, so pangit tignan. Tapos masyadong dikit-dikit yung pattern niya. Ito medyo magkakalayo and makinis. So let's talk about tire material naman. So generally kasi this is divided into 3 classifications: the hard compound, medium compound, tsaka soft compound. For the hard compound are generally used for off-roading, yung mga bababato, for adventure bikes, and it offers a lower rolling resistance. So mas madulas siya kapag ginamit mo sa city roads, but it offers a longer life for its tire, for its material. So mas makunat yung gulong na yun. Then comes the in-between, the medium tires. This tire offers the advantages of both the soft compound and the hard compound. So makunat yung tire na yun, yung medium compound, at the same time makapit siya sa daan kapag ginamit mo siya sa city driving. So yun, ideal siya mostly for city driving talaga. Now finally, the soft compound. Soft compound are generally used for racing talaga, for track use. And soft compounds have a higher rolling resistance, so mas makapit talaga to sa kalsada. Kasi since malambot yung material niya, soft compound, mas lumalaki yung contact patch mo sa daan, kasi mas lumalapat talaga to sa pavement. Ang drawback lang talaga ng soft compound is mas mabilis siyang maupod, mas mabilis na mag-deplete yung material niya as compared to medium or hard compound tires. Mas makunat yung mga yun So now that we have talked about the general information of this tire, papakabit natin to sa shop today sa Beast Motoworks. Siguro I want to give other options pa when it comes to tires. So other options natin dyan is Bridgestone Batlux, IRC IZ-SS, Pirelli Diablo Rosso Scooter, Metzeler Corsa, and Maxxis tires. Yun yung iba pang choices natin guys para kay PCX. Be mindful lang kapag bibili kayo ng gulong, ang diameter ng harap natin is 14 inches and sa likod is 13 inches, specific for PCX 160. Actually, even ADV, I think ADV also has those same diameter for the front and rear tires. So yun, kain lang ako, lalmusal lang ako din. Punta tayo sa shop, pakabit natin to.
Sige, baba mo. Sige.
Diba?
Ayan.
Sakay. Yan. Sa
Ayan.
parang nakaupo siya.
Kapatong lang.
Ay, ilang magasgasan.
Ayos na, bye-bye. Hirap lang lumiko. Good morning! On the way tayo to Beast Motoworks sa shop. Nasa baywang ko yung gulong. Papakabit natin to kay cart. Buti na ikarga naman sa motor yung aking new set of tires. Tingin ko bibigat si Lumi. Babagal ang acceleration na ito. Kasi ang kapal ng likod ko Let's see. If ever naman na bumagal ang acceleration ko, pwede tayo magpalit ng bola. Yeah! Hubo muna.
Basta walang sabit, banayad.
Baba pa to. Inaman.
Pasok.
Okay. Sakto yung sukat ng dulo.
Hello guys, good afternoon. So yun, nandito tayo sa Marikina. And this is Lumi after being installed with the Swallow slash tires. Yung 110, 80, 14 yung harap ko. And then yung likod ko is upsize ako ng 140, 70 by 13 inches. So far so good. Medyo tumaas yung puwetang ko, naramdaman ko. Very slightly lang naman, parang 10 mm lang na itinaas ng height ni Lumi. Pero let's talk about the tires. Okay yung gulong, grabe. Hindi ko pa masabi ngayon kung makapit siya, pero stable naman. Yung mga lubak, yung mga dati kong dinadaanan na lubak, medyo hindi ko na naramdam. Feel ko makapit naman to, tinry ko siyang i-banking kanina eh. Mga ganitong curve, okay naman si Lumi. The tires are good. Oh, BMW, nice. Ramdam ko naman yung kapit ng gulong. We will break this in for 100 kilometers. Let's do a quick walk around lang ng na-install kay Lumi. So this one, the rear tires, Swallow slash SB-151. Na-install na siya. Maganda naman. Yung clearance niya dito, meron pa naman. May 2 to 3 millimeters pa na clearance dun sa fender, sa likod. All goods. Ang ganda ng profile talaga. Mukhang big bike yung scooter ko. Ayan siya. Hindi ko lang siya ma-center stand kasi pinatanggal ko yung center stand ko eh. Kasi ipapa-powder coat natin kay Defy Customs. Ito naman yung harap. Medyo kumapal pala yung harap ko. Tsaka tumangkad ng kaunti. Ganito siya pag side view. May clearance pa rin naman. Ito, may clearance pa siya sa taas. 2 to 3 mm. 0-0 nga ito eh. Medyo didikit na pero nagkasya naman siya. Sabi ng mekaniko ko 0-0 daw yung gulong na nakuha ko. Saktong-sakto lang. Kasi, this is Lumi. Yung itsura niya. Medyo tumaas yung harap. Pero all goods naman. Tanggalin natin yung rear fender na ito. Sa next video magti-tail tidy tayo. Tanggalin natin yung ito. Palitan ko to ng tail tidy. Picturean ko lang. Tapos uwi na tayo. So yun guys, ito na lang. Uwi na ako. Adieu!